Hello, I'm Alex Davis and these are my children
Alyssa
and
James.
And today we're going to be making a recipe called Betsy Pudding, which I believe is from the First World War. To make the Betsy Pudding we need the following ingredients. Probably a pound of bread. I couldn't find unsliced bread, so unfortunately I've had to buy a sliced loaf, but I'm sure it will work just as well. Milk, we've got soya milk because we've got a dairy allergy in the house. 2 eggs, it says 1 or 2 but we've gone for 2. Not quite a cup of chopped suet and the same of sugar. Oh, it says rather less than a teacupful each of chopped suet and sugar. And then you need either fruit or jam to go in the middle of the pudding. We have got a jar of cherry jam. The pudding is a sort of bread and milk mix, which is put into a pie dish and you put jam inside and then you bake it in the oven. So we'll have a go at baking this. Now, the first thing to do to make the pudding is to tear the bread into pieces, and we're going to put it into, I think it's going to need a very big bowl, so we're going to get on with that before we soak it in the milk. That's it, keep tearing them up, there's quite a few to get through. Right, so.
There we go.
Right, do you want to start pouring some milk in, James?
Yeah.
The one that's already open. Just pour some in. We're supposed to put it in so that it's all soaked, I think. What does it say?
Just
as
check.
much milk or milk and water as the bread will absorb.
Okay, so should I just put a bit of this?
No, I think it'll take quite a lot. So keep pouring. There's a lot of bread there to soak it up.
Do we get hands in it or not?
No. We'll get some spoons or forks in.
Should I just tip in the whole thing?
If you think it, yes, I think it will need all that. Right, shall we start stirring it just to see how that is?
Yeah.
Right, we definitely need more milk in there. Right, try that much and try stirring it up again.
Nice stir. Yeah, I think this is enough.
Dear, okay, good.
No, I think there needs to
I think we need to, we're supposed to beat it. What did you say? You think it's enough or not?
Could I just add a bit more in? Just a sec.
Yep, I think we need
Because
to. We need to be able to
there
beat it up into a, a soft mixture. So.
Yeah. There was some bits didn't have a milk on at all, so.
Oh yeah, it's a bit over here.
Pouring it on the bits that.
Right, we're now going to add the suet. We're going to tip that in, James.
Yeah.
Like all of it.
Yeah, all of it. And then all the sugar.
1 cup.
And then, Alyssa, can you tip in the 2 eggs that you've been beating up so well there? Oh, that's good. And then we need to mix that carefully together.
Okay, get another spoon.
Yes, let's get another spoon. Right. Do we think that
lovely?
Does it? It smells good. Right.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Now let's have a look. Do you think it's all mixed up now?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Right. We're now going to get the mixture into our dish and attempt to put some over the bottom and up the sides of the dish, and then fill in the middle with the jam. We're not entirely sure this is going to work, but we're going to try.
Okay, I'll do
Not a very big spoon.
This?
Yeah, try that.
Okay.
Oh, and then we
Right.
brush it up.
It looks a bit like.
Push it up the sides.
it
Yep.
It looks a
hopefully.
bit like porridge, like.
Yes, it is a bit, isn't it?
But like porridge, that's the thing. Like weird porridge, yeah.
Weird porridge, yes.
Weird porridge.
Because there's crusts in it, so like. Yeah, it
Yes.
would be a bit weird, and it has a bit of.
So.
Right, that's not bad, is it? Do you think you can push it a bit
I think
further
probably
up the sides or not?
No, because it just flops down.
Right, okay. Right, we're now going to fill the middle of this bread mixture with the jam. Looks like we're using quite a lot of jam there.
Yeah.
Might even use the whole jar or most of the jar.
Most of it.
That's it. Make sure you cover all the jam up. Right, we're just almost there.
Yeah, I've just got to cover it all.
Yeah, there's a bit more in the bowl.
Can't see the jam. It wobbles.
Oh, and the dish is just big enough as well. Right, so this is the pudding all ready to go in the oven. It says on a low oven for an hour and a half. So I've put my oven on 140 as it's a fan oven, and we'll see how it's going part way through. I might have to turn it up. Right, here it is, the Betsy pudding. Does that look nice? Yeah, not sure.
Looks delicious.
Right, shall we serve some? Would everybody like some?
Yes,
Yes, please. Got to have some. Can I have a big bit?
Yeah, I'll give you some, but you can always have more. Ooh.
You put a lot of jam in it.
We did, we put the whole jar in.
Oh, cherry jam.
Yes.
Bit ridiculous.
Okay for you, James?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, looks nice.
Tell me what you think of it.
Can I just eat it?
Yes. Is it nice, Alyssa?
Yes, firstly, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
Secondly, a lot of jam in it.
Yeah.
Thirdly, it's very nice.
Is it? Good, good. What about you, James? What do you
I
think?
like it.
Do you have marks out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10? Really?
No,
I really
Great.
like it.
Great. Ben, what do you think?
Oh, it's very sweet.
Is
It's
it?
got yeah,
Oh, I like sweet.
yeah, very
Yes,
easy
same.
to yeah, goes down very easily. Yeah, good, yeah.
It is very nice. It's a sort of cross between a bread and butter pudding type dessert and a suet pudding, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice and just right for a cold winter's evening with custard. Well, the Betsy pudding was a great success. It was really easy to make. You just had to soak bread in milk, then mix in sugar, suet and eggs, and put it in a dish with some jam. We were quite worried that our mixture was very sloppy. We'd put a bit too much milk in, I think, but it didn't matter at all. It all still worked properly. It had the lid on it and the sort of the base and the sides of the mixture with the jam in the middle. Yeah, I think it might have been nice if you'd had stewed fruit without any sugar in, because it was quite sweet, especially served with custard. The jam made it very, very sweet. But it was really nice, and I think we'll probably have to make that again at some point. So a very simple, straightforward recipe that tasted really good. It did take an hour and a half to cook, which I thought was quite a long time. I turned it up for about the last 20 minutes so that it got nice and golden brown on top. But apart from that, just followed the recipe and it all turned out really well. So quite impressed with the Betsy pudding.